I've decided to make and test a bunch of single oil soaps. I want to evaluate what each oil does on its own. I'm thinking this will be a practical guide for when it comes to formulating blends, when I can see what qualities each individual oil brings to the party. It's something I've been interested in doing for a while, and I'm not expecting to see vast differences between most of them, but there's only one way to find out for sure, and that's to do it. To keep things consistent for each test, I'm going to use 300 grams of oils. The superfat will be the standard 5% and water will be at 20%. The only difference is that I'm going to add a bit of colour to each one so I can keep track of which is which. I'll cut a few bars of each and test them at different time intervals, starting with when they're fresh out of the mould. I'm Rox. Let's crack on. Today I'm testing out 100% peanut or groundnut oil soap. Peanut, groundnut, they're the same thing. Here's what Soap Calc has to say. It's high in oleic acid and contains a substantial amount of linoleic acid too. Highly conditioning, but there's some palmitic and stearic in there as well, so we should expect some creaminess. Let's see if the end soap matches what Soap Calc says. Just zooming through the prep as normal. Maybe I should just cut to the chase and just go straight to the testing, but then you wouldn't get to see this money shot of the mica in oil. Besides, at least you know I've actually made it instead of cheating by just showing you some soap that I bought from a shop. Anyway, all in all, this soap took a whopping 7 minutes to get to a trace that I was happy to pour into the mould. Now this could matter if you want oils that take longer to trace when you're making a soap design that needs the batter to stay thin for as long as possible. 24 hours later and it's firm but not rock hard. Easy to cut with a silky smooth texture and a bit of gloss. Time to test it. Okay, so the bubbles are taking their time to put in an appearance, but they are coming, see? However, it's rather disappointing in the creaminess department. I was expecting more. Still, soap improves through curing, so I'll try one of the other bars at a later date and see how much difference time has made. That's 100% peanut oil soap ticked off the list. Thank you for stopping by and watching. I'll see you later. Ta-ta!